Hello, dear students, welcome back. And in this short, or I can say shortest video, I am going to explain today's English paper. And the paper was excellent. As per I received feedbacks from the students. They are saying the paper was amazing, the paper was very easy, the paper was superb. Let's discuss the grammar examples and 12 examples are here. I think paper ABC set 1 2 3, almost all grammar 12 questions were same. Only in I think set 2 one question was different. That also I will tell you, but in this video just discuss, analyze the question paper today's dated 21st of February 2026, English language and literature. Let's get started. First question is, fill in the blanks with the correct option to complete a corporate communication letter. So one letter is there, dear Sumit, this July you, and 4 options are there, and the correct option is this July you will have been in Japan for 3 years. So will have been, B answer is correct for this question. Next is here error and correction. The second question is here, read the given sentence from a self-help book, identify the error and supply the correction. Each one of the candidates have submitted. Now here you got, I taught you the rule of determiners. Each is there, each one of the candidates. So each means has should come, have is error, and has is correction, have has is correction. Very easy. Then the third question, report the Pratima's question correctly. We have to report the Pratima's question. And Pratima, what she asked, do you like the painting I gifted you yesterday? And the correct reported speech or report the question is, Pratima asked if he liked the painting that she had gifted him the previous day. So here Shifa is there, girl is there. So if she liked the painting she had gifted her the previous day. So very easy, report Pratima's questions. Now here each community member was given a different set of equipment. Each is the correct answer. Now read Robert's reply to his swimming coach. And here it is given, Robert thanked his coach for the opportunity and said that he would make sure he made him proud. So he made him proud or he did him proud is also okay. If you have written he did him proud is also okay. Okay, no issue. Now here I prefer to. So prefer to then will become to. C is error and correction. Now the 7th question, Rishan's parents asked him how he had fared in the speaking test in school that day. So here the answer is gave, because it is a reported speech, and here could is there, the teacher could finish the question, he gave the correct answer. So gave is correct here, A is correct. Now next question here, one more time error and correction, and here error correction is, you should respect your parents. Parents should come, parents and elders. So parent is in singular, it should become plural, parent, parents. Very easy. Now I used to tell you, don't forget to learn did question. Did is important here. Customer, did you pack all the items? Very easy. The customer asked the worker if he had packed all the items. Very easy. Then question number 10, earlier money could buy much more than it can today. It is past, so could should come. Question number 11, complete the given poster displayed on a banner. Drinking and smoking are injurious to health. R is the correct answer, because R, why? Because drinking and smoking two are there, and is a conjunction. So when conjunction is and with two singular subjects, R should come. They are two different things. Drinking and smoking are. Now the last one is here. The student replied that he believed they understood him better as they then knew all his fears. So here he believed they understood him better as they then knew all his fears. Very easy, but option also was there. So here I discussed all the 12 questions of grammar. I hope you might have scored 8 to 9 marks, or some of you might have scored 10 out of 10. Congratulations for you. Now remaining things I also want to discuss: creative writing skills, letter writing. I thought the letter writing will not come editor, but I told my students 95% letter to editor will come, and letter to editor has come. You can see here, letter to editor. Write a letter to the editor expressing your views on the need of voluntarism and senior participation and all. This is very easy. One more letter is there. Write a letter to the president of your RWA drawing attention to these issues. This is complaint letter. Complaint letter also I told you compulsory it will come. Letter to editor I told you it will come, and it has come. Only I got disappointed with the analytical paragraph. I told my students prepare new type of analytical paragraph, even older type of analytical paragraph, pie chart and bar graph and double bar graph and all. This type of analytical paragraph also we have solved, but one or two. But even this type of analytical paragraph also was easy, and all questions was there. So I feel these two analytical paragraphs were also very easy. If we go for literature, madam writes the bus has come, and question number first is there. A option is correct. Question number 2, descriptive language is there, vivid language is there, that you might have written. Then fascination is correct answer here. Fascination is the correct answer here. And which action of Wally shows that she did not want to miss out on any part of. So this was easy. The necklace also was easy. Overwhelmed is a correct answer here. Overwhelmed. And introduced is also correct answer. So extract based questions also were very direct. Trees poem for extract based question. Trees also is very easy. Then the ball poem also is asked for extract based question. And here also reflection and acceptance. Only 1 and 3 is the correct answer. And second one also was easy. Money is external implies that the boy learns the money cannot restore what is lost. Very easy question it was. Epistemology of loss is also told, it was discussed, and I personally told you focus on that phrase and learn that phrase. That phrase has been asked. Then 3 marks questions. I told you glimpses of India, focus, stories about flying, seagull, compulsory I told you to do, and the question has come. And for Annie Gregory also is there. What lesson does Annie Gregory present for youthful love? Very easy. Dust of snow, compulsory I told you to do study, because 100% question will come I told you from dust of snow, and the question has come. Black and white. Nelson Mandela is also there. What is the vision of freedom that comes through the speech of Nelson Mandela? Do you remember, dear students, when I taught you Nelson Mandela, I told you Nelson Mandela's speech is more important than all other things, all other paragraphs. Prepare the speech properly, and you might have prepared. It was also very what I told, it has come. Now from the supplementary reader I told you Bholi, you focus, and even necklace I told you to focus. Bholi question is there. Based on your understanding of the story, how do you assess Bholi's father? So it was also very easy question. The midnight visitor, why was Fowler interested in meeting Osabel? I told you don't forget that, because Fowler was a writer and he wanted to write one detective stories, and he wanted to meet such a kind of agent. So I told you these all things. Making of scientists also, flock of butterflies I told you, but okay, no issue for that. And the 6 marks question, letter to God, Lencho, the black aeroplane. Do you remember yesterday night only I told you how Lencho had faith in himself and how narrator had faith in himself. The black aeroplane and letter to God can come, and it came. Stories about flying also is there. And then after that, our question also was easy. A tiger in the zoo. The differences and similarities between tiger in the zoo and tail of custarded dragon, parallel type of question. And this supplementary reader, triumph of surgery. Direct question for 6 marks. Nothing came speech writing, nothing came dialogue writing, nothing came diary writing. Parallel type also that much did not come, but a triumph of surgery came. The book that saved the earth also came. So overall, if I want to say you, the paper was more easy, I can say, moderate also. I don't want to say. All the best for your science paper. Now don't get any pressure, and even don't think about the paper. It was great. You did study. You prepared well. Your efforts will definitely pay you off the proper result. And I wish you all the best for your science paper. Don't worry about anything, and just do comment in the comment box section. How was our study, how was our preparation in the examination, especially my students and other students, those who are watching. Thank you. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.